If you have a Nissan Altima made in the last 10 to even 15 years, you'll find that sometimes on the undercarriage that you'll have a part under the undercarriage that comes loose on either the passenger side or the driver's side, and I'll show you right here. So if you see this part right here, which could either be on this side or the passenger side, or rather the driver's side, this is basically called a splash guard right here. And about a month ago, my one on my driver's side came loose, and I completely just unscrewed it over here, because what it does is it comes apart on this side. And what it did, what purpose it serves, is basically just, it's like a little additive. It's like a splash guard so water doesn't go into your tire. But honestly, it's not necessary to have on your vehicle. So you just basically unscrew it like this. So there we go. I'll show you what it looks like. This is basically what the splash guard looks like. And I've done research online, and it's not something that's imperative that you need on your vehicle. A lot of times people will go to dealerships and have this check on, and they literally will just rip it off or remove it. So if dealerships don't find this imperative, neither should you. When these originally started falling off, I was thinking, oh my God, is my undercarriage and is my transmission going to fall onto the ground while I'm driving? But no, it's not that big of a deal. So I just wanted to put you at ease if you were worried about this. All right, thanks for watching.